It's a place where you feel safe, where you feel loved, where you can feel the joy in everybody because they all share the same spirit of joy and peace and kindness. So no matter how hard or tough your life is or your day is, once you're there and you're in this community and you can actually pick those fruits off everyone around you because that's the fruits of the spirit, right? So it's love and joy and peace and kindness and long suffering, and you actually experience that when you're with the people, and the people make up for us, like we're all members of his body in particular. So just being part of that, knowing that you're part of that, and knowing that you're never alone. So not doesn't matter what comes your way or what life throws at you, you're just never alone. You always have that support. And even when you're not in the community between the people, you still have that spirit to support you in your journey, and to it's always a choice. You can allow God to influence you and be influenced, and actually take that word and wear it, be dressed in it and live it, or you can not allow it to influence you. So it's your choice how you get influenced. And if you just allow that to influence you, that's who you become. You become what you choose to influence you.